In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your PayPal account in Gumroad. Whether you're selling digital products, art, or any other awesome creations, linking your PayPal account can make transactions much easier for you and your customers. So let's walk through the simple steps to get your PayPal connected in just a few minutes. First things first, after logging into your Gumroad account, you'll find yourself at the Gumroad dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can manage all aspects of your products, sales, and account settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it's where you'll often conduct most of your business activities on Gumroad. Next, let's navigate our way over to the Settings area. If you look around your dashboard, you should find the Settings option conveniently located within the menu. Go ahead and click on Settings, which will transport you to a place where you can alter a variety of aspects of your account to better suit your needs. Once you're in this area, you'll want to direct your attention to the Payments section. It should be relatively straightforward to find, often placed alongside a list of other configurable options meant for personalizing your Gumroad experience. Upon reaching the Payments section, you'll notice the option for PayPal. This is the magical doorway we're looking for. Click on it, and this will lead you to the point where you'll need to add your PayPal details. It's crucial at this stage to ensure that the email you use for your PayPal account is entered accurately. Take your time to double-check this information before proceeding, because any mistake here could lead to potential payment problems down the line, something we definitely want to avoid. So, enter your PayPal email address carefully and with confidence. Once you've entered your email and completed this step, congratulations. The integration process between Gumroad and PayPal is basically set up. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to Gumroad, and that's all there is to it. By taking this simple action, you've not only streamlined your payment process, but also opened the door to much smoother transactions and subsequently happier customers. Keep in mind, having PayPal as a payment option can cater to a wider audience, considering it's a widely trusted and frequently used platform. If you're ever in doubt or simply want to ensure everything is working seamlessly, you can perform a test transaction or check within your Gumroad settings to confirm that your PayPal is indeed connected. With this setup in place, you're all set to get out there and sell even more effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with all your Gumroad sales endeavors. Happy selling!